I think everyone is grappling with this, and at the core of being able to get a very rich workforce around us, collaboration is going to be very key. The private sector, the public sector, and governments and academia absolutely have to come together, because this is something that the workforce has to think about, not just today, but into the future. So you have to start young, and GE's been doing that. We've spent over $10 million actually shipping machines for plastics and for metal into very early elementary and high schools. And we've also done that in universities, particularly with metal, so that they start to get trained on being able to utilize these types of technologies, and they're very comfortable with them. So when they go into the workforce, they're already thinking of solutions overall. In addition to that, we've worked very, very closely with our own workforce that potentially might get displaced by some of these technologies, but instead of just displacing them, retraining them. And we've done something called GE Brilliant Factories and GE Brilliant U, which is all around a curriculum which you can take online, which focuses on lean, on agile, on additive manufacturing, and other types of manufacturing technologies that are really bringing the future into the GE workforce. So important for us to be able to do that, because when you think about the power of additive manufacturing and the excitement that the manufacturing sector can actually bring to this world, it's very, very exciting to us.